Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and thank you as usual for your continued support. Now today we are in John Doggy and we are here to speak with a lady by the name of Lorraine. So before we do that, please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be notified. Alright, so we're gonna go meet her right now. Okay, Lorraine. All right. Morning. How you doing?
I'm not doing too bad enough.
Okay. Okay, we can come up.
Yes, man, you can come.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yes.
So how are you doing this morning? Me have to look where if you step or me just walk.
Just walk, man. It might look so, but me then nearly up for me.
Oh, okay.
And not really my place, but me can't make it. It just gone so.
Okay. You rent here?
Used to rent it, yes, but the other person come and did a quarrel with the brother and them something there. So me stop pay rent. So that is the reason why my father they must start out their great grandparents place down at Wilson for me come live.
Okay.
So me want to start it out because through them busy and no time. I'm pregnant. Me no want when me taking if have baby me day here. So same way.
Okay.
Me want it to fix up so me can move go down.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So just talk to us. You just state your name and then you would have reached out to us. State your name and then you can tell us your reason for calling us.
Yes, my name is Lorraine Smith. I'm from Wars of Wilson Valley District, Trelawney. And the reason why I call is because I'm not working at this moment. I'm into a situation where I need help, emergency help. Because as far as I'm concerned, I say that things is going downhill. And it can't work like that. Because it make no sense I go sit down and wait and baby father fi do this and do that and me 7 months now. Next month me I go 8 months. So me need some urgent help.
All right. So share your story with us. Talk to us. Tell us, help us to understand what is going on, and then, why you need help. What caused you to be, in this position. Just help us to understand. Share your
Yes, what
story.
caused me to be in this position? I used to live in Kingston and my grandparents' house was down by Wilson and my things was there. And I get a call one day. It was one of my cousins see me and said to me, say, Lorraine, you know, say, them burn down your house. And I say, what? I say, yes. I say, no, sir, not for me house. And when he start to direct, I say, Lord Jesus, I for me house for you. But guess what? I get the vision, I get the vision that the house was on fire and people was there and thing. I wake up in man and I say to the girl, say, say my vision say my house step on fire. And I see whole heap of crowd. And she said, Lord Jesus, Lorraine, you look like your house burned down. And I say, no, sir. Probably I just dream. But when the guy tell me no, I say, no, a reality. So when me come back now, I have nowhere to go. So end up that's me reach here.
Okay.
You understand? So me there and me a struggle. Me look job here and there. Me get it and me stay in it for a time being then me leave and so forth. But me struggling because me never get to finish high school because who me did live with, them take me out of school. And a pregnancy take me out.
What
Them
age?
take me out.
What age did you stop?
Them take me out at the age of 14, 15.
Okay.
Because I say, through me tell the lady say I want to become a soldier. The lady get covetous and bad man and sent me home. And she is a police, And she help her son go into the police force and send me home. Because my uncle was in foreign, that my grandmother brother was in America and he was the one sending the money to send me to school. So she didn't have to provide anything. Because my uncle make sure me alright. So me there me struggle and me end up into this situation which is the guy don't love my daughter when I have. She gone to school now this man.
How old is she?
She's 12. Me not even have money for send her this man and she said, Mommy, me have to go to school. Me I save some money, some silver. Me empty it this morning and give it to her. Ask one of my friend for $200 and she give me and me send her to school. So when you see them all up their head like that, you have to really concerned about them and push out the effort.
Yes.
So me really need her to get help too because her father turned him back. Everything in the court and because him bring me up and he never get her, so it in the court and me need some financial help so me can go back to Kingston to the magistrate and make them sort him out for him help me with my daughter. And me need some baby things with this child right now. Because reality me can't afford to depend on my baby father and him don't love my daughter. When me have. And I realize that him not care. So I need some financial help.
So you're not getting the support from your baby father, you're saying?
No, because he cuss me off and tell me how he give me money. And me I take it spend it on my daughter and I send my daughter go to school. And I say, no sir, me need to get out of you. Me can't be a man like you. Because if me have my daughter, every man and woman in this world, them parents must get a husband where, you know, we then have a child and the man come and take the child and the mother. So how you not love me, Pitney? You not love me. So me can't continue that relationship. So me don't want to go back to him anymore. For nothing at all. This weekend I come and I know say me not have no grocery, me not have no money to send Daniel to school Monday. But me not going back to him. So me really need some financial help. Me know say me can't work you know.
Yeah.
Nobody now employ no pregnant mother now for work. Because them go say to go pressure the baby. So for the time being me need help until me have the child and can get back strong and go back on my feet and me really need a job.
Okay.
When
what
the
type
child,
of work do you
when I work at gas station and be a pump attendant, me can do cashier same way. Yes.
Okay.
Them the job them would I want. Because me no want a job where me can achieve nothing. Want a job where me can send back myself to school too. Because I like to do the early childhood institution work.
Yeah.
To teach. So when me get old, me can retire and me get my pension.
Yeah. So you have a plan.
Me have a plan.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like how you said that.
Yeah, me want to step up. Me no want to depend.
Yes.
No, me no want.
Yes. It's just your situation now, being pregnant, and you did mention that you don't know you may have baby anytime soon.
Yes, me
so
can
you wouldn't
have.
be in a position to work right now.
No.
But you're willing to work.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the help you need now, you did say you need some financial assistance.
Yes.
So provided that you get the financial assistance,
Yes.
what is it that you want or would purchase or acquire with that money?
I need my baby things them. I wouldn't mind if them buy and bring to me. I have no problem with that. Same way.
Oh, so it's just some baby clothes and stuff that you need.
Yeah, me need our bath set and me need things for myself at hospital. Me need the necessity when me know say me have to use a hospital. Yes, and me need money to keep a hospital. Less if them come and say they need money, me can give them. You understand?
Okay.
Me need that me can pay me fear because as far as me concerned, me I feel pain. According to the nurse, she say me in a premature labor, me can have baby anytime. So me want to make sure say
And you don't have,
me
you
can
don't
book
currently
in.
have anything.
No.
Okay.
So me want to make sure so when me a book in, me have my baby things them. Me have one money with me. And me can leave my daughter with one of my friend. Safe and sound and because a C-section me a go do.
Okay. Okay.
Because apparently to me have fibroid according to the ultrasound. Me have fibroid.
Okay.
So me still have to do the C-section no matter what.
Okay. So because of that health issue, you would be unable to
Yes.
have the baby otherwise.
Even that, yes.
Oh, okay.
Me did do C-section to have my first daughter, I know. But because I probably the fibroid where they have to go cut me, I probably still have to do C-section same way because me did do it the first time.
Right.
So me anyway me take him still have to do the C-section. So me really need some financial help at this moment.
Okay.
To make sure I say my daughter they are school and me they are hospital and me alright. I mean I have to go back to the man for him disgrace me and me pick me again.
Yes.
Me no want that.
Okay.
Yes, me no want to get there so.
Okay. All right. So your main need right now is some assistance.
Yes.
Just to get the baby things and
Yes.
things for yourself.
Yes.
Just in case you should have baby anytime now.
Yes.
You would
Yes.
be okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, and that's it, right?
Yes, and me just need me need her to get a tablet too. Because sometimes she come home from school and she say, Mommy, teacher say we fit do online work. And me say, but you not have nothing to do online. So me I go do it online work. This a phone you
Okay.
not so 100 because the battery no good. As me start using the battery start count down, me only can use it for make call. So me can't do no online work on it for her. So she needs some assistant to go school every week. Me no want she drop out of school because since she start go to try high school she a pick up.
Yeah.
When she was going to primary school she wasn't picking up because other children was taking set pan her and beat her up on him something day. So she no
She was being
learn.
bullied.
Yes. But since she's been to try high school, she's stepping up.
Okay.
Me tell
Okay.
her if she join the cadet and she's in the cadet.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So
All right.
I want the best for her. I don't want to stay here so continual because the place not 100%. It's not my place. So I want to move out of it immediately before I'm ready for a baby.
Okay. So the place that you're talking about that is being fixed up,
No, fix up yet.
you know, fixed up yet?
Only the bottom them I deal with, but them not no time for me.
Oh.
I need it to look after. So I can't wait, I can't go wait for them because other people want to come help and because of them.
So the financial assistance you're asking for is to also help to fix up the place?
Yes, because but first and foremost, me need to start look after my baby things them first.
That's the immediate need that you
Yes,
have?
emergency. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I'm pleading for help because I'm not working at this moment, and for the pen and man, it's not good. It ain't good enough. Can't work, you know, because I am pregnant. So anyone out there that God touch their hearts, mind, body, and soul, may I ask them to give me some assistance, emergency, because I'm pregnant next month, this month, December. Right now, me 8 months pregnant.
Yes.
And according to the nurse, I'm going through premature labor. Yes, so, which is me never realized because me I feel pain all along and me no know say a premature labor
Yeah.
me into.
Yeah.
So, me want to get my baby things them, sort out, and me need financial help to sort it out. I'm not working.
Okay.
Because if me never pregnant, me would love to get a job right now. But me can't work because of the situation that I'm into.
Okay.
Yeah, me need people who know God and love God to help me.
Yes.
Yes, because we're here for help our brother and we sister. That's what God put us here for. Not only if we go to church and clap and worship and pray. That no worship God alone. When we help each other, it worship God. And allow God to shine his countenance upon us and bless us even more abundantly. Because if me did have it, me help people too. But me not have it.
Yeah.
So me I ask the godly people them out there to help me.
Yes.
Yes.
You're so pleasant though.
Yes.
It's so pleasant. Okay, so yes, so well said. You know, I do hope that, you know, you'll be able to get some help
Yes.
so that, you know, just in case you should go in, you'd be okay, you know, with the
Yes.
baby clothes and stuff.
Right.
Yes, so Lorraine, you did mention that when you were growing up, you grew up with a lady.
Yes.
What happened to your parents?
Well, my mother died when she was 21 years old. And I was 7 at the time when she passed. And when she passed, my grandmother and my grandfather struggled with me until them pass. And me have to end up with my grandaunt, that I'm my grandmother's sister.
Okay.
And my grandmother brother was overseas because he's the last one, so he's the youngest one. So he and his wife plan to take care of me. Them not supposed to put no financial, them will give financial.
Oh.
Them start to fight against me, say me I get too much money and all of that. So my uncle call them one day and tell them, say them fi look school for me go. And he may send the money to pay the school fee and send me to school. They not fi worry. When the lady come off of the phone that I'm my grandaunt adopted daughter, she said to me, say if I me alone, you know, see school door, anytime boy send the money come, I go take it and send Shani go to school. It catch you?
Yes, I think so.
But you know, by it you do.
Yeah, I feel like. All right, so guys, we had a little accident a while ago. Apparently, I was sting me right in my face, right here. So we had to break. to use some alcohol and some tree bush type of thing. So it's the first time in my lifetime I've ever gotten a wasp sting in my face. It's raising, it's swollen. Okay, so we're gonna make it and do this fast. The plan of the devil just now go work this morning in the
Yes,
name of
Satan is
Jesus.
giving me a big fight.
All right, so let's do this. So you were saying,
Yes, and apparently now when my uncle called back the same time when she tell me the words. And my uncle said he want to speak to me. So I get the phone. So I say, Uncle, just as though you come off of the phone, Claudette say, you're going, and anytime you send the money come, she go send Shanique go to school. She not send me go no school. If I she alone, me no see school door. So uncle, so you feel know what you go do. So uncle say, what you say? Seriously, and me say, yes, uncle. And my uncle give her back the phone and put her in her place. And then my cousin in Kingston, the one that I was living with, when my uncle said, if he take me then and carry me and him will respond for me. She take me, and after she take me now, me never know what's the money she take me for. Because when my uncle send money come from foreign, she tell me, say, uncle tell her, say, all of the money enough for me. So, me know say the money for share. So, me say, I don't have a problem with that, but me not getting no money.
yeah.
She only give me $50 to go to school. And a one uniform she make give me. One socks and the book them what she give me is exercise book. And when me bring them to Donald Quarry High School, because it was Donald Quarry High School, she put me in. The teacher them don't want to take it, and them not realize I know the problem with me I go to, and me I try to show them
Yes.
why me don't have any hardcover book. She buy hardcover book and she give her little son, and she give me exercise book for go to school. But nevertheless, me never give up. She make me wash, cook and clean like a maid. And the landlord start to quarrel and say, no miss, how you fit dey work out a little girl like that? You need to move from here, so me can't accept you in my place or do them something. Yeah, them something are cruelty. And she is a police, you know. So for sure, you say sometimes people only in the force, and some of them is very corrupt. And every one of them nice. And she could say she go send me back to country because me make the landlord and make she move. And when she moved go there, she tell me say she not give me no money for go to school. And I decide say me have to go to school whether money is or no.
Yes.
Alright, the morning me put on my clothes and me put on my uniform and me take the bus. And when me go on the bus, I said to the doctor, I said, doctor, I have no fear if you pay if you go to school. You know. The doctor said to me, say, as long as at school you go, I do have a problem. And in every morning, sometimes the landlord call me and say, Lorraine, see money here if you pay if you go to school and buy something to eat. And the tenant them on the building say, Lorraine, if we never live here, we take you because your cousin is very wicked.
Yeah.
And one day she tricked me, you know, send me back to country, take me out of school, and tell the teacher them over the school, say, my auntie get transferred me to for me in Alberton High School, so she know she don't need a transfer. When I come home, my auntie said to me, say, auntie, Shirley no tell her say, Shirley say you get transfer for me to Alberton, so she never take any transfer from Donald Quarry. And she said, me? From much years back now, me no hear from Shirley. I could tell you years me hear from Shirley. And I said, what you say? She said, yes, me no know about that. And I'm from there, so.
Been out of school.
From there, so me left school.
So how has that impacted you?
It impacted me a lot because I did want to go into the army. And that's my desire to go into the army and to make my life better.
Yes.
And she destroyed my future. She destroyed my future right this, and from there, so me batter. Me batter here, me batter there. No job, because me not no subject. Sometimes me get job, me did it sometime for a year or probably a couple of months. Then after, me lose it.
Yeah.
Sometimes people call me and say if you come work, me work so till then say then go call me back. And me just can't get a permanent job.
Yeah.
Because me don't have no subject.
So before you started living here, there was a time that you used to sleep at different places after the house burned down
Yes,
and you came back
because-
from Kingston?
Yes, because I say, why me go a different places? Me not know if I stay. And me don't want to live with no man just like that with my daughter. Because me don't want them abuse me and my daughter. So I was staying at friend place leave from friend place, go other places, go stay, I feel leave from there because people place you can't too comfortable at people place. And that is the reason why I end up here so. You understand? So I right here so I come stop.
Okay.
And from there so nothing.
Yeah.
Alright. My grandmother, my auntie who is in Greater Portmore, she helped me out with a letter to get house from poor relief. She's them said the sister that are my next auntie sister. She's supposed to give me a letter. She don't. She said she not give me any. I have an uncle in America when me get in contact with and tell him that me need a letter, permission letter. Him say I go send it, but it apparently him not understand how to
Okay.
send it to the email.
Yeah.
Can me tell him say I email him, can email it. He no need to come to Jamaica to come write it.
Okay.
But apparently me realize him don't understand about them something there. Because not everybody have the ability to do those things.
Okay.
So I end up that me never get through with that.
Okay.
So-
So those the challenges you have now.
Just the challenges me have and my auntie, the one when me tell her say never want to give me the letter, they tell me say my grandfather tell her say if me come back and want to bill, she must give me me must bill up on the hill. That's where my grandfather said me must bill. So she say that. So me need me talk to NHT, then said if me get the tax pay, the tax are not much to pay. No whole heap of money.
Yeah.
Me fi carry the receipt come and then when we give me a title for the piece of land that my grandfather
Okay.
said me must take.
So you could get the house from the Food for the Poor?
Yes.
Okay, okay. All right, so guys, you would have heard Lorraine's plea, her plea for help with baby clothes and financial assistance and the urgency with which she needs the help because she could go into labor anytime now. So if you're in a position where you're able to assist her, please reach out to us at 876-512-4055. All right, and okay, so this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.